Hey guys, Oli here from Olies Wood Shop. So it has been a long time since I have posted on social media, on YouTube, and it feels good to be back and to let y'all know what I've been up to for the past 5-6 months. We're not in a dark place. We are doing great. We have just been so swamped, and Olies Wood Shop unfortunately has been pushed to the back burner. I'm not sure if a lot of people know this, but I'll just kind of let you know anyways. So Olies Wood Shop is not our bread and butter. I would love it to be, but it's just not currently. And Art and I have our main business that we build furniture, just like a lot of custom stuff and unique stuff for folks. And we have been doing that, well, he's been doing that for about 8 years. And I just jumped on board over a year ago? 2 years ago? Shoot, I don't even know now. It's been a while, and that is our bread and butter. And so I have been doing a lot of admin work, hiring employees, and to top it all off, tax season has begun, and I have a lot of work to do just to make sure that we're up to par. So with all that being said, we have been busy. Oh, and to top it all off, we have some great news. We bought a house, so I can't wait to just do projects around the house. We bought it back in November, and we did a few things that we had some work done, some floors, and then we also had the outside painted and the inside painted. So we just currently moved in like maybe a month ago. So we're really eager to get some projects done, like furniture, building some furniture for the place, because Art and I don't have hardly anything. We have a mattress, and we have a chair and a couch. But anyways, yeah, so we are really excited to make some videos for 2020 just of the projects around the house that we're gonna be doing. Mainly just furniture pieces that we're going to be building for our house. So we're really excited about that. And so anyways, we've just been really busy, and I just wanted to make this video mainly just me blabbering and letting everybody know that we're doing good. I'm sporting some orange today for Olies Wood Shop, and Olies Wood Shop is not dead. It's here, it's thriving. And this year, 2020, I really want to get more consistent with posting on YouTube and projects and builds that we're passionate about, and just some fun stuff for the house. I can't wait to just make really unique things, because the house is pretty unique, and we're just really excited. It's our first house as like ever. We had to save up for a really, really long time. And anyways, so yeah, it's been really fun. It's been a journey this past 6 months. I think the last time I posted was when we took a vacation to Hawaii in August. Yeah, so you do the math. Every month, that is, it's February now, so 6 months. Wow, 6 months. I know that because my birthday was in February, and like a couple weeks ago, and August is my half birthday. I know. Art gets really annoyed. He's like, we don't celebrate half birthdays. And I'm like, okay, you might not, but I do. I want to celebrate my half birthday. Anywho's, rabbit hole. So my last time I posted was when we went on vacation in the summertime to Oahu. And Art and I never take vacations because we just don't have the time, and we don't get paid vacation time. You know, owning your own business, there are definitely perks, and there are definitely maybe some people would think cons. I don't know. We don't get paid time off, but we do have flexibility in that sense. So anyways, I had to switch my arm. Oh, that one's getting a little tired. Oh, now the camera thing is. Anyways, I'm sitting outside the shop and people are driving by and walking by, seeing me with this humongous camera pointed at my face, and I'm just talking to it. So, everyone's pretty respectful around here. The LA scene, it's like they're used to it. A bunch of YouTubers walking around with cameras talking to themselves. Anywho, which makes it great for me because nobody's alarmed. Like, what is that girl doing? And I'm just sitting here with a camera talking to myself. It's really nice weather today. So, what else have we been doing? What else? Yeah, it's just mainly been some unforeseen expenses with the house, unfortunately, which I know. Like, I'm sure some of you who own homes can totally relate to that and understand. But we had to put a new roof on, unfortunately, which maybe it was a blessing, because the reason being is because we bought the house in November and it never rains in California. But it so happened to rain as soon as we closed. It poured rain that week after, and we got in and there were so many leaks, and we had to rip up some of the master room floor. We tore down the closet that was in there, and there was a leak coming in underneath, and there was mold. So we just bit the bullet, put a new roof on, and as soon as we put the new roof on, it rains like, I don't know, like once or twice since we put the new roof on, and no leaks, but I need like a downpour, which will probably come in a year because it's like practically turning into summer here. So anyways, yeah, that was unforeseen expense. And it has 2 skylights. Of course, I know. My parents were like, oh, those are gonna leak. And I'm like, she said that she fixed it. And those were leaking, so, oh well. We just went to Home Depot, bought 2 new ones. Art built the curbs for them, and we installed them, and then got the roof, put the flashing on, and it was good to go. They're not leaking. I'm sure they will down the road, but whatever. I like them. Maybe we're still just in the honeymoon stage of the home ownership, but we're really excited. We really love the home. It's really great. The neighbors are all amazing. We love all the neighbors. They're all really, really friendly, and we really like that about the neighborhood and just the city we're in, and it's just great. What else? What else can I tell you guys about? Do you guys know that I'm obsessed with cats, and I actually have 2 cats, but they have been permanently moved in with my parents. One of them is so attached to my dad, and he just loves them. His name's Zimba. He's so cute. They're orange. They are orange tabbies. Anyways, that was a rabbit hole. So I have rambled enough. 2020, let me just recap, highlight, tell you what maybe you guys should expect. Definitely be expecting some furniture builds for the house. We need to build kind of a lot of things. It's gonna be really fun, and it has to be custom because there's like little nooks like in some of the rooms that like need a specific dimension of like a table to go in there or something. I don't know, a desk or like cubby holes or storage. So it's something that not that I would just go out and buy it like at IKEA anyways, when I can just build it and make it my own style and how I want it. But yes, definitely expect some just projects around the house. My parents are amazing. We still have not finished their patios. We finished, well, not even finished. We did one, and then we got super swamped. And anyways, their birthdays are coming up in the next month or so. So maybe it will be like, it was supposed to be for Christmas. It has extended to now birthday. Whatever. They love me no matter what. and they're just excited that they're getting covered patios, so they haven't even complained. Can you believe it? They're amazing. Love you, Mom. Love you, Dad. You will get your patio soon with the roofs and the whole 9 yards and painted. Don't worry. We haven't forgotten. We've just been so busy. And now I'm doing this video, sitting here looking like I'm not doing anything. Anyways, okay, 2020, just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, stay tuned. Enjoy the ride. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. See? Nobody cares. They just are like, hey guys. Yeah, it's this huge truck, our neighbor. They're like a roofing company. And he was just waving at me like, what are you doing there, sitting there, talking to yourself? YouTubing, duh. Anyways, I have rambled a lot. Yes, so 2020, like, subscribe, comment, tell me what we should build. I'm just kidding, we have ideas already. Or it's like, are you done yet? I'm like, no. Babe, don't you understand? Like, I always just ramble on and on. Anyways, okay, I promise you a video will come soon after this one of a really cool build. You might just enjoy it. Bye guys.